Oh, Winnie, you feel the love? Oh, Winnie. You getting a good rubbing? Precious always wants to be part of the family, don't ya? Don't ya? I know. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Zoe, you're snug as a bug? Hmm? And Precious just thinks he's a dog. Yeah. Oh, that was nice. Did you give him a kiss? That was nice. Hey, Precious. I know you just want to be part of the family, don't you? Yeah. What you got there, Winnie? Hmm? What you got? I don't know why, but all the dogs and the bird like that pink bone, which makes no sense.